Curved clipping edge. Easy grip handle for a sure hold. Everyday baby essential. Perfect for gifting. 100% plastic. Made in USA or imported. Curved clipping edges. Easy grip handle for a sure hold. Everyday baby essential. Perfect for gifting. Small size. Top reviews from the United States. 14 years. That's how long they last. Someone bought me a Safety First infant safety kit when I was a first-time mom 14 years ago. These clippers have lasted 14 years until I finally needed a replacement. They're perfect for infants, kids and adults. Hell, I've even used them on my cat. When the original broke, I sought these out and bought two. I panicked when they broke because they are the best nail clippers ever. I cannot stress this enough. Buy these.